cameras are the eyes of smart agriculture, driving autonomy and efficiency. They help optimize yields by providing real-time data and insights, reducing chemical use, improving crop quality, and are key to the operation of autonomous equipment. Hello, my name is Daniel, and I am an optical sales engineer at Sunex. In this video, we will address the future of farming. Imagine transforming fields into perception-driven systems. Imaging technology is revolutionizing agriculture by providing spatial context and plant-level insights. This enables autonomy and yield optimization, turning traditional farming into a high-tech operation. Our approach to success is to lead with precision optics and robust camera modules. Our DXM single-sensor stereo imaging technology offers unparalleled depth perception in a small form factor, ensuring reliability even in harsh agricultural environments. These innovations are key to modern farming. Our lenses are built to withstand extreme conditions, from dust and vibrations to large temperature swings. Sunex ensures that your imaging systems remain reliable, providing consistent performance and reducing downtime in challenging settings. Optics and camera modules from Sunex power autonomous harvesting and machine guidance. Our technology enables precise navigation and obstacle detection, ensuring safe and efficient operations. This is how we help our customers redefine agricultural machinery. Precision crop intervention is enhanced with Sunex optics. Our solutions allow for targeted treatments and yield optimization, reducing waste and improving crop quality. Aerial analytics and environmental monitoring are also transformed with our innovations. Our optical solutions offer key benefits: reduced system risk, improved performance, and enhanced reliability. By choosing Sunex, you ensure your agricultural operations are equipped with the best technology available. Ready to transform the future of farming? Contact Sunex to enhance your agricultural operations with our advanced optical solutions. Thank you for your time.